Hello, welcome to my studio. I've just had a beautiful, prolific printmaking session, so I thought I might grab a few and show you some of my faves. Gotta love nature and paint. Oof, love this one. Feels like lungs or something. Maybe one or two more. I wasn't sure about this one at first, but I think I really like it. It's very richly layered. I love the colours. Look really nice with a mat around the outside. Woolworths bags, chopped up. So that's a few. As you can see, there's lots more. And I'm thinking about maybe doing like a $100 sale. Oh, this is going down. Maybe a $100 art sale or a $99 art sale coming up. So I'll have a play, see if I can get a few up on my website, and I'll let you know. Or maybe I'll have an exhibition here in the studio. I don't know, I'll keep you posted, but I've made lots and I love them. You can have a look at my existing artwork for sale on the Artuition website. So that's Artuition, like art with intuition, together.com.au. Hope you have a great night. Bye, or day, wherever you are.